Hi everyone, I will show you, I forgot my bottle opener. I will show you how to open. I am in hotel, so I forgot my bottle opener. I will show you how to open when you not have a bottle opener in the hotel, how you open the bottle. Train station. So I got the two bottle. So I will show you how to open. I can't open this. So I got this hanger. You notice here, there is a hanger here. You can open with this. You see? I will open with this hanger. You can see. I just found this trick. Closer. This cannot open. That's it. Opened. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.